Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Ayuguo Huang is a music producer and singer-songwriter hailing from Tofan in Miaoli County. In the 90s, he formed the new Formosa band with Bobby Chun. In 2007, he released his debut Hakka album and later won several Golden Melody Awards for the Best Hakka Album and Best Hakka Artist. This year, he won the jury prize from the Golden Indie Music Awards for his album Shangge Yi Tao Lu. The album sticks to its folk roots while combining a variety of styles, which creates a unique flavor to contemporary Hakka folk music.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林集少 Joseph Lin, and Leo's here, so we're going to introduce you to more people and culture of the Hakka. And 今天是不是要跟人事物有关系？
剛剛講到人事物，那我們來介紹人。
OK， 好。
有一位客家歌手，很有名，
太多了啦，這樣叫我怎麼猜啊？男生女生都不知道。
我給你再另外一個提示，他之前就是有在華語的唱片圈裡頭，而且是個團體哦。
其實這樣的人應該也很多，但是呢，剛好幾個月前呢，我有訪問過一個這樣子的角色，
是啊，
就是他在那個新寶島康樂樂團那個嘛，是不是？
對，就是我本家嘛，姓黃的嘛，對不對？
That's it. Oh, what a coincidence. Leo wants me to talk about, or we want to talk about, an artist, a Hakka musician that was on my show just a few months ago. He used to be part of this very well-known group in Taiwan known as 新寶島康樂樂團，然後他的名字叫做黃連玉。
對，就是黃連玉。
黃連玉，
而且他最近還出了一張新的專輯，知道嗎？
對，有。
你知道專輯名稱叫什麼嗎？
跟山歌有關係。
當然，對。好，我接下來教你怎麼講。山歌一條路
啊，對啊，山歌一條路，山歌一條路，
山歌一條路。
Okay, A Route for the Mountain Songs is his latest album, his newest album. He used to be part of this very well-known group called 新寶島康樂樂團, and he partners with another famous local singer known as 陳昇。
其實他在新寶島康樂隊的時候，那時候就有把一些客家的元素給融入到那歌曲裡頭去了。
Okay, so his latest album again is called 山歌一條路，
山歌一條路，
山歌一條路 and his name is 黃連玉。
黃連玉
and he's been around for decades. He's got a lot of variety of music, whether it be Mandarin, Taiwanese, or Hakka, of course. Go check him out when you have a chance. 黃連玉 And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張磊了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.